How to turn off system sounds under Windows 10. System sounds, or with another word, sounds which are made by Windows itself. So if I come here to the speaker icon, click on it and then click on this one, and that's the system sound. Okay, to turn off that one, right click on that speaker icon and go to sounds. And a small window appears, and at sounds we have sound scheme, and there select no sound and close it with OK. And after that, if you go to the speaker icon and click on the slider, there is no sound anymore. Of course, every sound will play if you are watching a video or an MP3, but only the sounds which were made by Windows are not played back anymore. For example, you can go to the start menu and settings, that one, and here ease of access, audio, change other sound settings, and the same window on the sound page choose no sounds and close it with OK. Or you can go to the start menu, type in control from the control panel, click on the control panel itself, and here go to hardware and sound, and at sound we have system sounds, and the same thing on that window. At sound scheme select no sounds and close it with OK.